Hi friends, now we have Dell Inspiron 15 3511 laptop. In the laptop, there is a problem with the hard disk because of going to disassemble this laptop. I will show you how to remove the panel and what are the components will be there inside this laptop. I will show you. First, you remove the screws here. After removing all these screws, kindly remove the panel. Okay, I have removed the hard panel. I will show you. This is the battery. Battery model number is type G91J0, and there is a 4 GB RAM is there. This is the fan, this is the NVMe, this is the HDD. Okay, and also there is a problem with the HDD. That's why we are going to remove this hard disk. Okay, thank you.